Hello world, great to see you here. Welcome to my Learn It Here YouTube channel. In this channel you will be able to learn video editing in After Effects, Premiere Pro, Blender, Kine Master and some tech stuff. Alright, today we are going to make this video. Don't worry, it's easy and I will teach you step by step and provide all the media files required. Now let's jump into the tutorial. Open After Effects. Create new composition lighting logo reveal. I choose 4K resolution, you may choose full HD resolution. Click OK. Now right click on the timeline, click New, choose Solid. Name it as BG. You are free to select your own color. I choose dark blue. Click OK. Duplicate it by clicking Ctrl+D. Rename it as Particles. Now search for Particles System 2. Add it to the Particles layer. Now we change some layer settings. Before that, move the anchor point of particles out of the frame like this. Make the view fit to screen. Now move to Effect Control of Particles. Click Physics and change Animation to Direction. Velocity to 0.5. Gravity to 0. Click Particle. Change particle type as Faded Sphere. Since the size of the particles seems to be larger, reduce it by changing birth size to 0.1 and death size to 0.1. Now click Producer and change the X and Y radius to 100. Great. But the more number of particles are seen. So reduce the birth rate to 2. Preview it. Perfect. Make sure the layer fit to comp. Now change the color to some orange shade so that it looks like fire. Preview it. Now we shall import the logo. Add it to the top of the timeline. Scale as per your need. Pre-compose the logo as logo comp. Now select the layer and click Layer from menu bar and choose Auto Trace. I request you to stick with my Auto Trace settings to get a perfect output. Now click this icon to see the trace. Yes, we can see the traces. Now search for Saber and add it to the logo composition. You can turn off the trace icon. In the subbar settings, click Customize Core and change core type to Layer Mask. Change the preset to Arc Reactor. Fantastic, it looks lit. Now click Render Settings and click Alpha Boost and change Composite Settings to Transparent. Now you can see the particles layer. Now change the color. I choose red to match with the particles. We shall animate the logo. Go to 4th second and enable the stop clock nearby start offset option and tune it to 50%. Now move to the starting of the video and change it to 100. Now duplicate it by clicking Ctrl+D. Change the preset to KRPTONITE and change its color suitable to the clip. I choose orange. Changing the mask evolution to 180 degree will make the logo look complete. To increase some details of the layer, click Distortion. Click Core Distortion. Now change distortion amount to 7. Keep everything same. Next change core size to 1. Now preview it. Now duplicate the composition and delete the saber effect from it. Search for Venetian blinds. Change the width to 10. Move to 4 seconds and enable the stop clock nearby transition completion and adjust it to 0%. Now go to 2 secs and adjust the value to 50%. And now click the logo composition and change the opacity settings and enable its stop clock. Add a keyframe at second with opacity 50% and go to 4th second, adjust its opacity to 100%. Add keyframes in such a way that the logo appears only after 2 seconds. Adjust the keyframes till you get perfect. Now click second logo composition and enable the stop clock nearby core size. Move to 3rd second and enable it. Now move to 4th second and adjust the value to 0. Do the same for another logo composition. Increase the width of Venetian blinds to 20 and direction to -45. Press U 2 times to view all the keyframes. Now ease all the keyframes of the 3 compositions. Select all the composition and pre-compose it as logo animation. Now click S to view scale and enable its stop clock. Move to first frame and change the scale to 250 and move to 3rd second and change the value to 100. Now click R to view rotation settings and enable the stop clock at 3 seconds. And move to first frame and adjust the value to -45 degrees. Ease all the keyframes. Edit the work area by clicking N. Now enable the motion blur option to get perfect output. Now we shall preview it. Perfect. I like it. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will try to reply to everyone. We have planned to upload 3 videos per week and 1 tech video on every Sunday. If you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe it and turn on the notification and smash the like button if really liked the video. Stay tuned. Stay creative. See you in the next video.